What's up YouTube, it's Preston Picture Perfect Gaming here. What I got for y'all today is just a cooking tutorial of something I like to desire of cooking. It's kind of a mixture of like sausage, bacon, cheese, and just some other stuff like such as oregano and just some simple stuff like that. What I got with me is Dreamscape Productions here. I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I hope you guys can enjoy and let's see the video.
Okay, that works.
So, what you're gonna do first is put some cooking oil on, just so it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna heat those things up to, let's do maybe about a 7. Just get a little hot, you know what I'm saying? Same time over here, 7. Then what you wanna do is you wanna get your bowl, maybe crack a couple eggs in there, just throw that thing in there, just toss it over there somewhere. Crack it again, throw it up in that crib, toss it over there again. Oh god. Then crack another one, you know what I'm saying? Throw another one in there.
Try it!
Sometime, I don't know, maybe let's crack maybe one more, I mean, we hungry up in here, so let's top it over there. Maybe one more, I don't know, maybe we're hungry or something, you know what I'm saying? So
try it!
It's just, nah, we good.
Now you gotta clean that up.
We gonna get there, we gonna get to that.
Oh yeah.
Stop whipping it up real crazy.
Do you think you beat those eggs hard enough?
If you know about how women cook, bruh, you gotta whip it real hard for them eggs to be nice and fluffy. So, next we need to get our bacon. Let me get us 7 slices, maybe get us like 4 slices, you know what I'm saying? Back in California, this is all I did. After class, come home, make me some bacon. Specifically, toss it in there. We're just gonna like throw it in there because we're gonna cut it up anyways. We're not gonna make it perfect, so we'll do that. You might want to throw some butter up in there, bro. Keep it going, just keep kicking it around. Ow! Shake that out a little bit. Maybe a little bit more, we gotta be black on this crease. Get you a pinch of salt. Just boom. Somebody do that, but at this speed, little bit. It's gonna be scrumptious, I promise. Nah, they're gonna leave that actually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour that in there. Lightly, like so. I know. I hate okay. Cheese. A handful of it. Maybe just a little more, because that cheese is looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're gonna let it set, probably like 5 minutes. Now, as a chef, you need to put your stuff away after you've done it.
Is that hot?
Yeah. Alright. Get your
Ah! Like Michael Myers, my man.
What the?
Just cut it up a little bit. Okay. Bring it over here. You see what I mean?
Scrumptious. Excelente, mucho gusto, fantástico.
Around. Just for the heck of it, just for the heck of it, bring on a little more cheese, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Check it out, bread.
Chicken.
She's crispy.
Crispy. You get the plate over here. Ta-da. Oh, shoot. Still sizzling.
Perfection at its finest. I hope you guys liked that video. Stay tuned for more cooking content. I might start a new series. It's up to y'all. Just let me know in the comments. I hope you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.